How to place trades on MetaTrader 5. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So as you can see right now, we're currently in MetaTrader 5, and to be able to trade, we're going to navigate to our trade section over here in the middle. And over here, simply click on the plus icon over here on the top right. In the top right, as you can see, this is where we initialize our trading area. But to be able to change what we're trading on, typically it will allow us by simply clicking on this icon over here on the top right. It will allow us to change between the different tokens that we could trade in. For example, euro and dollar over here. So over here, you can just simply buy, as you can see, and then you will be able to purchase, or you could even sell as well. And you could sell how much you want to sell. For example, here, then just put whatever you have to buy. Don't I'm just using a demo account, so don't take my options granted. Anyway, when you're buying or selling, this is where you will be able to do it. You will be able to do it over here, the top section as well, as you can see. So let's try it over here. Let's select this one. Then if you click on buy, as you can see, we should be able to buy that much specific token. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.